Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is June 2024, variant 43, and question number 5. And again, it is a question of connected particles. A van mass this much kilogram is towing a trailer mass this much, okay, down a straight hill, incline theta to the horizontal. It means it is the situation condition is what? Check it, please. Okay, now situation is what? Uh, this I take as a van. Okay, and one particle is the other one is a trailer. Okay, and they are connected, and you know it very well. Then always tension towards each other, and whenever we're looking for what is called acceleration, okay, and like a driving force or sometimes tension, so we always make two equations, solve them simultaneously. So first of all, tension towards each other, okay, this is number one. Second number, sine theta is given here 0.05, so I'm using this angle theta. Okay, the mass is this one. You know it very well. What is the formula of the, look at now, mg sine theta. So mg sine theta, m is 4500, gravity is 10, and sine theta replaced by 0.05. So if I check it, 4, 5, and 3 zeros time to 0.05, this turned to be 2250. So this weight is acting below. Okay, but one more thing, was engine is working, and force applicable, this is driving force, and this is weight component, which is 2250. Now I'm finding, and one more thing, the other mass is 750. If I apply same story, this one 750, students, so what happens then? Mg sine theta 750, so 7500 into 0.05, and weight component acting for this is also downwards, and that is this 375 newtons. Okay, now let's talk about a friction. There's a friction acting backwards, is a trailer, is a 300 friction. So I'm writing F T is equals to 300. But this is also friction of the V for van, and acting is a 2500. Sorry, this is a friction force. Now I think data is very clear. Everything is mentioned, and now and tension given by him is 450 and 450. So this value I'm writing 450, and this value I'm writing 450 newtons. Okay, now I'm going to make a one formula for the van and one formula for the trailer. Okay, one. Okay, make sure how many forces acting on this. So number one, number two, number three, number four. Four forces. So that was the formula we basically use. Net force is equals to MA. So just I'm writing V for van. Okay. So I'm starting from here because motion downwards, where's motion start from there. So these two addition and these two subtraction. So I can say capital F plus 2250 minus 2500 minus 450 is equals to MA, and mass of that is given 4500, and acceleration I don't know. If I solve it, 2250 minus 2500 and minus 450, I'm getting equation capital F minus 700 equal to 450 Equation number one done. So let's same manner I will go for trailer. So let's try do it. Okay, so again it is moving downward. So I'm starting from tension and this addition and this is subtraction. So I can say here tension plus 375 negative 300 is equal to MA. What is the mass? 750. 750 times 2 acceleration. So if we check it, 375, I got if you subtract these two as 75. So I got a T. Sorry, this is tension is given by us, okay, by him, sorry. So I can replace its value, and that is what? that is 450. So now I can get acceleration from here easily. 450 plus 375 minus 300 and divided by what? 750. And acceleration I'm getting here 0.7, because if you add, subtract, and divide by this, we can get the acceleration easily, and that is 0.7 meter per second square. I got directly from here. And this acceleration, I can plug in it here to get the applied force, which I'm finding directly, and get the answer. So 4500 into zero point 0.7 and plus 700. If I check it, I'm getting 3850 Newton applied force. And I believe the point is very clear. So first part of 4 marks done. Now second situation is saying, and on another occasion, the van trailer ascends. It means it's going upwards. Okay. And the angle is alpha, but first theta, now alpha. And he given us sine alpha is 0.09. And he mentioned that driving force is given on the engine, is given on the van, sorry, and speed of the van at the bottom is 20. And he said resistance to motion is unchanged. So what is friction given for the both particle will not change at all. And he is asking acceleration and the tension. Whenever he asks you two variables, like here, applied force and acceleration. So we make always two equations, solve them simultaneously. Same story here. As he asking tension, acceleration, so we will plan same manner. So let's try to do it. But this time I'm going to make a diagram another way. So this time I'm going to make it. It is okay. I think better to save the time. I can take the same diagram, but it is moving now upwards. Wait a minute. Maybe I have to make it. I think better to make it a new one. So no problem. I'm going to make a new one now. Okay. So have a look, students. What is the way to do the question? Inshallah, very easy. So this is one particle applied force. Okay. Then this is second particle here. Diagram is very, very important. Tension towards pulley, that's tension towards each other. Very clear. Okay. And now this is a friction component, and this is a weight component. And what is a weight component? That's remain same. But sorry, no, it's not same, because change now. Okay. And what is the situation? Van is going up and trailer is down. Okay, so mass is how much? 4500, 4500. And what is I'm writing now here? Listen, please. 4500 mg sine theta or sine alpha. G is 10 and sine theta alpha is 0.09. Okay, I'm typing 4500, one more zero into 0.09. And I'm getting what here, student? 4050. So 4050. So this is 4050 newtons. Now here two force acting downwards. One is a friction and one is this is a friction, and one is a weight component. How to find this weight component? Mg sine theta. Same story, students. I'm doing it now here. Mg sine theta. So sine theta is 0.09. I'm writing all together. Gravity 10 and mass is 750. So when I do it carefully, 750 into 0.09, and I'm getting 675. So this is 675 newtons. And our frictions are very clear. Trailer friction is 300, so this is a 300. And other friction is a 2500, so this 2500. Now students, everything is very clear. We are going to make two equations, one for the van. Let's start. So I'm starting from there, but applied force is given by him, I think. So let me check. Yeah, 9100. Applied force. Yeah. So 9100. So let's start. I can start from here. This minus this minus this minus this. So I can say 9100 minus friction component minus weight component minus tension equals to MA. And what is the mass of 4500 into A. So I can type it 9100 minus 2500 minus 4050. And I'm getting here 25550 minus tension equal to 4500A. Equation 1 done. Let's go for next equation. Trailer. So I can start from, because it's going upwards, I'll start from here, this minus this minus this. So I can write now tension minus 300 minus 675 is equals to MA. And what is the mass? 750. So I think all students understanding negative 300, negative 675. So I'm getting here tension minus 975 equal to 750A. Equation number 2. So upper equation I'm going to copy below. So student, you can see clearly this is tension cancel. So I can say here 2550 minus 975. And I'm getting here 1575. And the other end 4500 plus 750. I'm getting here 5250 is acceleration. So 1575 divided by, I'm getting the acceleration is coming with me is 0.3. And this acceleration, student, I can plug in any one formula. I think I will plug in I plug in the equation number 2 to get attention easily. So tension minus 975 equal to 750 time to 0.3. And tension becomes with me 1200 newtons. So I believe all points are very clear. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Last part. You know, the speed at bottom is 20. He asking speed at the top when it's traveled 375 meter distance. 375 meters. So distance is 375 meters. Acceleration we got 0.3. And starting velocity is U is how much? Let me check 30. 20. And looking for the last velocity. And you know very well, easy, 2as is equals to v square minus u square. 2 times 2, 0.3 into 375. Last velocity job, this is a 20. So 2 times 2.3 into 375. Okay, and plus 400. If I take a root of this, so my answer is turned to be 25 meter per second. So I believe the concept is totally clear, and the question is whole question is completely over.